To blur part of a video in CapCut, start by making sure nothing is selected. Then, go to the bottom menu, tap Effects, choose Video Effects, and search for Blur. Pick the blur style you prefer. After selecting the blur effect, exit the menu and extend the effect across the entire video by dragging its right edge to the end. Next, tap on your original video, then scroll left in the bottom menu until you find Duplicate and select it. Now, with the duplicated video selected, scroll right in the bottom menu until you see Overlay, then tap it. Press and hold the duplicated video, then drag it to the left to position it correctly. Next, select the bottom video layer and look for Mask in the bottom menu. Choose a shape that best fits the area you want to blur. Tap Invert in the bottom left corner so the blur only applies to that specific area. Then, tap the diamond icon at the bottom right. This activates keyframes, allowing you to adjust the blur's position and size throughout the video. Now, adjust the blur to match the subject's face or whatever you're blurring, making sure it stays in place. As the video plays, if the subject moves out of the blur, simply reposition it. The keyframes will handle the transition smoothly. Once everything is set, you can speed up the video to preview the final result. If done correctly, your blur should follow the selected area seamlessly. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, don't forget to subscribe my channel. It really supports me.